Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and you're gonna learn about for each method in Array. Yeah, I know you have seen before this thing, but still I'm gonna show it to you. So what we're gonna do, create a var array1 equals pass bunch of arrays, the strings to B C. Oh, for C. And now what we're gonna do is array 1 dot for each so let me tell you what it does. It execute a provided function for once for each array element. That means it gonna go with like from A, then to B, then to C, like that. So, and what we're gonna do is pass I'm gonna use the L function. Those who don't know, familiar with the ES6, you can check my the JavaScript for beginners series. And pass, we're gonna log it on console element. When we do that, we're gonna, and then I'm gonna log it there. See, A, B, C. This is what it does. Yeah, I'm gonna in here I'm gonna log in on the console, and it doing for each. If you want like to add something, if it's all number, to add something for each, you can do that too, like what I'm gonna do is changing to a number array, and the last one 3, and I'm gonna log it on the console as plus 5. See, it's 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 3 is 8. So that's it for the today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.